What we wanted to concentrate on today was to be able to demonstrate the effects of deferred maintenance on coils and how buildup occurs over years, just getting to a point where airflow is so restricted that one of the only viable options is replacement. So what we wanted to try to do today was demonstrate an alternative method that would effectively clean the coil in a way that just couldn't be done with conventional methods. The whole unit operates more effectively, the environment's better, and then the task of keeping it that way becomes easier.
So before we start cleaning the coil, they'll take some airflow CFM readings across the coil, they'll transverse the coil, and we'll have data before we clean it, and then data during the cleaning, and at the end of it, the data which will show that more air is through, that's showing that coil is clean and not impacted anymore.
This coil cleaner is pH neutral, so it's perfectly fine for it to set in the coils. It's not going to tear down or break down any of the fins. And it's 0 pH. It does not have a bad odor, so we can bring the air handler back up and continue to run it.